Right, I know you just came from the workout. How's your body feeling?
Alive, but I'm feeling a little bit of pain with the right hip.
Yeah. Okay. More SI joint?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's go hands up behind your head.
Favorite.
All right, I'm coming in here and here. Stretch you a little bit. There we go. Good. Clean it. There we go.
That feels good.
Very good. Let your head drop towards your chest. Very good. Easy peasy.